Hello friends, welcome to NSK tutorial. Today we'll see the topic how to set Java path in Windows 10. To set Java path in Windows 10, how to set Java path in Windows 10. First, to set Java path in Windows 10, first we need to check whether the Java path is installed, whether Java path has been set in the system or not. To check that, first we need to open the command prompt. Okay, here type java-version. When you type java-version, it should show the version of Java has installed in the system, but it is not showing anything. It is showing the message like Java is not recognized. We have installed the Java, but even though it is showing Java is not recognized, this is because of the path has not set in the system. To set the path, we need to go to the system variables. Just go to system variables. In search bar, type env. It will show the menus like edit the system environment variables. Just click on this. It will open one pop-up box. In that, go to advanced, and here we have environment variables. Just click on this. It will open one big pop-up menu. In that we have system variables. Here we need to check whether the path has Java home and Java path has set or not. When you scroll down, I can see there is no Java path has set in system variables. So we need to set the Java home first. To set the Java path, first we need to set the Java home. For that, just click on new. In capital letter, Java_home. Next, come to the next field, variable value. Variable value will be the path where your JDK has installed, JDK home path. If you have installed JDK 64-bit version, 64-bit, it will be Java will be installed in program files. If you have installed 34-bit, 32-bit, it will be installed in program files x86. I have installed 64-bit of Java, so it will be installed in program files. Then from there I can find Java, go to JDK, copy this path. This is my Java home. Copy this path and paste here. Click OK. Now Java home has set. Now we need to set the path. Here we have one path. Just click on edit, click on new. Within the percentage Java_home/bin. Click OK and then OK and then OK. Now close the command prompt and reopen the command prompt. Then check the Java version. Type Java version. It is showing the version which has installed in the system. Check and just type the Java and enter. It will show the some text. So Java executable is also available and Java compilation is also available. That's it, friend. It is very simple. Please practice and also please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.